Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're in South Sea along Muhoho Avenue where Meraki residence is located. My name is Collins. I'm going to be taking you through the construction updates for the month of July. In terms of internal wall plaster, last time we had done up to 5th floor. Right now we've added 3 more floors and we're currently working on the 8th floor. In terms of electrical works, from the last update we had done up to 2nd floor, we've managed to add 5 more floors. We've done the chasing, we've done the dropping, and the installation of the patrice boxes up to 7th floor. Currently, we are working on the 8th floor. Early this month, we began doing the floor screeds, which is part of the floor finishes. We've done 4 floors, that is from 1st floor up to 4th floor. Currently, we are ongoing on the 5th floor. That has been the update for the month of July. Stay tuned for more updates.